Just this summer, Wix released the first ever Wix Paid Plans app. It allows you to build a stunning paid membership website in Wix. I made a video about it as soon as it was released. However, it was brand new and there were still a few items in the app that were being tweaked to better perform for you, the user. Now, Wix improved the app, they improved some of the processes of the app, and they also improved the process of which people signed up. Now, this is still a work in progress. This is still considered a very new app in perspective of the other Wix apps that Wix has built. I've had the opportunity to speak to the product manager of this app, and today I wanted to create an update video to update you on the app and some of the new features that you can utilize, because I've had a ton of questions about this, and I think that these were the most common questions about the app, and I'm going to try to help answer them for you here today. Now, before we get started, guys, head over to WixTrainingAcademy.com. This is my website. To join the Wix Training Academy, a bunch of exclusive content, webinars, courses, masterminds, all this fun stuff, you come over here, click Academy. Obviously, if you've already got an account, congratulations. Go ahead and click login and subscribe down below if you haven't done that already. I hope you enjoy the video. So let's go right into it. For the individuals that did not watch my first video, which I will link down below, I'm going to briefly and quickly show you how to add the Paid Plans app and how to get it started. So we're going to come over here to the Add App section in the editor. We're then going to type in Paid Plans, and you'll see Paid Plans by Wix right here. You click that, and then you click Add to Site. Once you do that, it's going to start to add your Paid Plans app to the Wix website. And then you'll click Get Started. You'll see it shows here 3 different plans. Now, this is just a placeholder for you to get started in the app. To actually come in here and edit it, what we're going to do is we're going to just simply click Settings. Once we get in that, we'll see a couple different options here, just like all the other Wix apps. You'll see Main, Settings, Layout, Text, Design. Now, as far as design goes, you guys can come through here and design this pricing sheet or tier level pricing however you want. You can change the backgrounds, the text, the fonts, the colors, the buttons, all of that, all right here in this Paid Plan Setting Manager. The text is the same exact way, except this is for whatever's mentioned up here at the top. In this case, you can choose what your page header is. Choose your pricing plan. You can change that to say whatever you'd like or nothing at all. And then finally, you have the buttons. So that's where you see this select and this best value right here. The best value is the ribbon and the select is the button. You could change this to like sign up today or get instant access. If we change it here, you can see what happens. Get instant access, change it, and then all the buttons will change across the entire pricing sheet. And it's just like that. So design and text, how you have that laid out is completely up to you, and how your business runs and how your website looks. Tailor it to your website. Make sure it stays consistent with the design of the rest of your website. You'll notice that it's also added as a separate page. It's got its own plans and pricing page. So if you want to edit this page, you would do it as you would edit any other page, and you could come up here and edit the header, and you could change the page background and do all that good stuff. But I wanted you to know that it is added as a separate page. For a lot of people, that threw individuals off, so that there's going to need to be a button linking to this page somewhere in most cases, unless you have your prices right up front and this is your home page. So you will likely need to get a button that links to this plans and pricing page if you've got a sales page you're creating or a landing page you're creating, and then it will redirect right here, and this is where they could see the plan information, the different features they have right here, and they get instant access plus the price, the level, all that good stuff. So we know that now, and we come back into settings, and then we can also see layout. So we can change the layout to be left align, center align, right align, however you'd like that. You can change the line spacing to be a little bit more, a little bit less. You could add dividers in between the little features here if you wanted. You don't have to. You can switch that on and off. And then we come into settings. So we can choose what we want to show. So if we want the page header, which is this choose your pricing plan, we can show that. In this case, I don't really like it, so I'm just going to click it off. And then you can choose to show the plan name, the plan tagline, and the plan benefits. If you don't want any of those, this is what you're left with. If you want all of those, this is what you're left with. And it's that simple. You can also choose to highlight a plan. So this is where you'll come in here and choose one of the plans you want to have that little ribbon on to highlight it. So that's the first one. That's the most prominent plan. So typically this is going to be your most popular plan or the plan you want to sell the most of on your paid membership website. And then you would come in here and choose whatever one. If we want it to be VIP, we'll switch it like that. Typically though, we're going to go with the mid-level plan. That's what most websites do. It's selling psychology when it comes to e-commerce psychology. So just a little tip in that. And then you could also add a disclaimer if you wanted to. This is your renewal disclaimer. Explains the pricing and how you renew memberships and all that good stuff. You don't have to show that, but you can. So that's the whole setting portion. Now the actual main portion where you manage your paid plans, you click this and it'll actually open up your Wix CRM, your dashboard here. And you'll come in here and you'll see welcome to paid plans and you press get started. Now you can come in here and create a plan. Obviously, as I said, those plans that we saw on that plans and pricing page is a placeholder. So it's a placeholder plans. This is where you actually come in and create your plans. To create a plan, you simply press create a plan. You come in here, you title it. We'll just call it Silver Membership. Actually, I'm feeling a platinum type of mood today. So we'll go Platinum Membership. You could add a tagline if you wanted. And then right here is where you add all of your features. So we'll just say free Wi-Fi, free breakfast. We'll pretend this is a hotel and they're clicking a room or something of that sort. So free Wi-Fi, free breakfast, plan duration. We'll just say this is a 1 month plan. So this is an important notice here, guys. So your plan duration, this is how long their membership plan is renewed for. So if they choose 1 month, it's a 1 month membership plan. If you're 1 year, it's a 1 year membership plan. And now, because I know a lot of you guys asked this question, you can add a custom value. So you can actually choose how many months. You can choose the number of months. They just added this feature. So if you want it to only be a 7-month plan, it can be 7 months. And you go ahead and write custom value. You can also choose it to be until the user cancels. So this is going to be an ongoing membership until this user cancels, which is another great option. But they did add that custom value feature. Next, you have your pricing options. So this is how you select when you want to be paid, how you want to be paid. So you can choose either a reoccurring monthly payment, a one-time payment for your membership website, or a free plan. So this is just a free plan where members get access to free pages only, and that's how you would do that. We'll just say monthly, and then you could put the price they pay per month here. We'll just say it's $79 a month. And then you'll click save. How many months? We'll say it's 7 months, and we'll click save. And then we've got a platinum membership. If we create one more, and we'll just call this one Gold Membership. I'm going to use this as an example and show you multiple so that way it helps you understand this better. Gold Membership only has free Wi-Fi, we'll say. I know that when it comes to a website, you're not going to have free Wi-Fi on your website. That would be a little contradictory. So how long is this plan valid for? And we'll say the Gold Membership is also 7 months long, except this pricing plan is only $49 a month compared to $79. We'll click save again, and then we have 2 membership plans. Now what I wanted to show you is, one, you can come in here, you can edit it whenever. You can see your archive plan, so if you delete a plan, that's where they'll go. But if you click on that, it'll take you into edit it. But what I want to show you is coming into contacts and CRMs. So if we come into here, we can go down here to members list, but more importantly, we have to add a members area. So we click add members area because they're going to be site members to our website, right? So we go ahead and add our members area, and it'll go ahead and add it. We'll click add to site. It'll add our members area here. It's loading up. It adds a couple of things, including Wix code related items. So now we have a My Account page on this site. I'll just save it where it's at, just so we have it saved. I'm going to X out of that, and now if we come back here and we click Manage Paid Plans, what we're going to see is we're going to see a couple different options here. We're going to see Paid Plans, and we're going to have a tab for that right over here on our main site CRM, our main site dashboard. We'll click Paid Plans, and then we can manage our plans here, and then we can see Purchase Plans here. Obviously, we haven't sold any. If we come into Contacts in CRM, what we can do is we could actually come down to Member Permissions, and it'll show all members, and we could go ahead here and set permissions. So what we have to do is we have to now add a couple of pages. I'm going to show you some examples of how we're going to do this. So we're just going to add a page here. We'll call this one Gold, and we'll add another page here, and we'll call this one Platinum. Now if we come in here, we go to Settings, and then we go to Permissions. We're going to choose Members Only. And once we get into Members Only and we choose that, what we can do is we could actually select in particular members. So which members can access this page? Only select members or paying customers. So select from your member roles. So you can do that if you wanted. And then select from your paid plans. So we'll say our gold membership gets the gold pages. We'll go ahead and save the site where that's at. So you go in there and you can do it just like that. The admin's part here just allows you to also access this page as the admin of your website. The same thing will apply for Platinum. We come in here, we're on Platinum page now, we go to Permissions, we'll choose Members Only, and then we'll make this one Platinum Membership Only. The other way we can do this is Member Sign Up Settings. You can go in here, this is for your member sign up, and then Manage Site Members. So this is going to open the dashboard. There's only one member right now, and that's myself. But I wanted to show you how you would cancel someone's membership. So to cancel someone's membership, you're going to come in here to the CRM, just like I did. So we'll go right here, CRM, and then there will be Member Permissions. It will show the actual member permissions for the gold and the platinum memberships here once we actually get an active member in there. We don't right now, but what you would do is you would do the same thing, click on the plan, come in here, and then you can see right here there's an option to view member. You would click view member, and then right here there's a status. Well, you can change that status to blocked right there. That's one way of doing it. You can delete the contact outright if you wanted to, but the actual user has to message you and tell you that they want to cancel, and you simply go into the CRM and cancel their membership. It's pretty easy. What I would recommend doing is create a little user cancellation form that they can fill out if they for some reason want to cancel with you. Have them explain why they want to cancel, and then you get those requests. Just have it automate so it sends you an email reminder when someone says they want to cancel, and just go into the CRM and cancel their account before the next payment period hits. It's that simple. Just do it simply like that, and then that explains the whole Wix Paid Plans app as far as adding it, putting it into play, managing the members. The other thing is that if we go back to our plans and pricing page here, what we can see here is if we preview this, get instant access, what it'll have us do is we're not able to accept online plans. So, by the way, that's an important thing. You have to have the Wix e-commerce plan in order to accept payments using Wix apps. So you need to have the Wix e-commerce hosting plan. What would have happened there is it would have had the user put in their email, and then from that point, it would redirect them to the payment provider that you're utilizing. It could be PayPal, it could be Stripe, it could be Square, any of those. And then what we need to do in order to activate those is obviously you need the Wix e-commerce plan, but you need to come in here to your site. You got to go to settings, and then what you do is you'll come down here, invoices settings right here, and then you can actually add invoices, but that's not quite the part. Accept payments. There we go. We go to accept payments right here on our tabs, and then you can choose what type of payments you accept. So if you accept debit and credit cards, you can use and accept debit and credit cards on Wix apps. You can use PayPal, you can use Square, Alipay, or manual, other custom forms of payment, cash or check, anything like that. And that's how you set up the payment portion of this Wix paid plans app. But the main thing I wanted to show you guys in this video was the fact that, one, you are now able to add a custom value for the amount of months you want the user to use, and how long you want that plan to extend, and also how to cancel that membership and how to block a member or take a member off the list. And that is what I wanted you guys to take out of this video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. I have Building a Social Network with Wix coming out next week. Next week. And then also comment if you have any questions at all. I want to be able to further answer your questions. I will likely even do another update on this video in a couple of months once they kind of finalize the features of this app. And subscribe here on Wix Training Academy, for some more awesome Wix content. And don't forget to head over to WixTrainingAcademy.com, link in the description below, and sign up for this academy, guys. You can click Academy right here, and it'll have you register completely free to you. Go ahead and make sure you're on that. I appreciate your time today, and I will catch you in our next video. Have a great day.